Welcome to my channel RR into your kitchen. Please subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes and don't forget to click bell icon to get new notifications. Hello everyone. Today's recipe is delicious, healthy and tasty sweet dates laddu. This is a very quick and easy sweet you can make for any festival. The best part of this recipe is these laddus are sugar free, also very low in calories, and it's a healthy snack for all age groups. So let's see how do we prepare this recipe. Take 1 cup seedless dates. Select only soft and moist dates. Do not use dry dates. Use only seedless dates. In case you are using seeded dates, remove the seeds and keep it aside. Next, chop them into small pieces like this so that it will be easier to pulse. Next, take 1/4 cup of cashews and roughly chop them. 1/4 cup almonds and 1/4 cup pistachios. Roughly chop all the nuts. You can replace these nuts with any kinds of nuts of your choice. Next, take 2 teaspoons poppy seeds, that is couscous, and 1 tablespoon sweet coconut flakes. You can also use desiccated coconut. If you don't like the flavor of coconut, you can skip it. 1 teaspoon raisins and 1 teaspoon fig. Chop fig into small pieces. Adding fig is completely optional. Next, take 1 teaspoon cardamom powder and 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon powder. Adding cinnamon powder adds nice flavor to the laddus. Next, take a mixer jar. Add chopped dates to the mixer jar and blend to a coarse paste. When pulsing dates, it takes some time to blend. So once you pulse it, remove the lid. Just mix with the spoon from the bottom and again pulse it to a coarse paste. Don't add water while pulsing. Blend to a coarse paste like this. While blending, do it only on a pulse mode and remember, don't add water. Now heat the pan. To this, add 1 teaspoon ghee and let ghee melt on a medium heat. Once ghee melts, to this add 1/4 cup cashews, 1/4 cup pistachios, 1/4 cup almonds and roast on a low flame until nuts are crisp. Along with these nuts, you can also add walnuts, pumpkin seeds or any desired dry fruits you like. You can customize these laddus according to your taste. Once nuts are crisp, transfer them to the separate plate. Now to the same pan, add 1 teaspoon raisins and 1 teaspoon fig and fry on a low flame till figs are soft. Once figs turn soft, remove from the pan and transfer them to the separate plate. Now before frying poppy seeds, just wipe off the pan with paper towel. Now add poppy seeds, that is couscous, and fry on a low flame till poppy seeds leaves a nice aroma. Do not let poppy seeds to turn brown. Once they are fried, just transfer them to the separate plate. Now to the same pan, add 1 teaspoon ghee and melt ghee on a medium flame. Now add dates paste to the pan. Mix well with the ghee and saute on a medium flame by pressing with spatula till dates mixture turns soft. At the beginning, the dates mixture will be stiff to mix, but slowly it loosens and it will turn soft. Cook only 3 to 4 minutes. Do not overcook. If you overcook, mixture turns dry and laddus will not taste good. Once mixture turns soft, reduce the flame to low and add fried nuts. Next, add fried raisins and fig. Mix well until everything combines. Please make sure flame is on low. I am not adding any sugar to this. Just the sweetness of dates and raisins make laddus taste sweet. Next, add sweet coconut flakes or desiccated coconut, that is optional. Next, add only 1 teaspoon of poppy seeds and keep remaining to add later while making laddus. Mix well until everything combines. Remember, flame should be low. Next, add 1 teaspoon freshly grounded cardamom powder, 1/4 teaspoon fresh cinnamon powder. Cinnamon powder gives nice flavor to the laddus. Mix well until everything combines. Once everything combines, you can turn off the flame. Now transfer this mixture to the separate plate and let it cool down for a while. Next to this, add remaining poppy seeds. Mix well with the mixture. Now take small portion of dates mixture. Roll it into a ball. Make sure dates mixture should be warm while making laddus. You can see here, make a laddu like this and keep it aside. Now repeat the process with the remaining mixture. This is a very simple recipe. Instead of buying these laddus from stores, you can freshly make this at home whenever you want. Our delicious dates laddus are ready. You can see here, laddus turned out so good. You can store these in airtight container up to 2 to 3 weeks. So definitely try this recipe and let me know in the comments if you like it. Thanks for watching. If you like this recipe, please like and share this video with your friends and family. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel RR into your kitchen for more delicious recipes.